Dear viewers, welcome to our channel. It's good to have you here. In this video, we will be looking at 7 steering system problems demanding your immediate attention. Your vehicle should smoothly respond to your steering input for safe and smooth ride. When turning becomes difficult or the car makes a mysterious noise when turning, you may have questions about what is causing the trouble. Check out the following 7 common reasons your steering wheel may not be working as it should, and so that you can decide when it is time to see a steering system repair technician. Number 1, shaking steering wheel. Your car should move smoothly if you are driving on a smooth, level road. When your steering wheel begins shaking, the cause can often be determined based on whether you are moving or braking. For example, when traveling over 20 or 30 miles per hour and your steering wheel shakes, it's time to have your tires checked out, as they may be unbalanced or unevenly worn. If the vibrations are felt while braking, this is a clear indication that your brake rotors are warped, making it harder for brake pads to clamp down and leading to wobbling and vibration as a result. Number 2, excessive play or movement in a steering wheel. On vehicles with rack and pinion steering system, worn tie rods may be responsible for a lack of response to the wheels when the steering wheel is turned. Tie rods connect the steering wheel to the tires. When tie rods wear out, along with loose suspension system components and steering wheel parts, you may notice a squeaking sound when turning. Number 3, steering pulls in one direction or vehicle pull to one side. When you find yourself fighting the steering wheel to keep your vehicle driving in a straight line, few things may be responsible for this problem. The most common reason is that the vehicle is out of alignment. A vehicle that is properly aligned ensures that all tires remain in line for proper contact with the road. Vehicles commonly fall out of balance from going over potholes or hitting curbs. A vehicle that is out of alignment causes abnormal and accelerated tire wear, and you may notice tires are more worn on one side than on the other side. Additionally, defective tires can cause pulling to the left or to the right. Worn or defective tires are easily recognized by visible metal strips emerging from the tire. Number 4, hard to turn steering wheel. Well, for ease of steering, vehicles are equipped with power steering or steering assist. This helps the driver turn the wheels with electric or hydraulic pressure. A steering rack or gearbox that has heat buildup or loss of hydraulic pressure can make turning more difficult. Difficulty turning the steering wheel are often accompanied with power steering fluid leaks, grinding sound, or a burning oil odor. Number 5, grinding or clinking noise when turning steering wheel. Any sound such as grinding, clicking, or rumbling sound when turning is often caused by failing constant velocity or CV joint. CV joints allow the front wheel to receive power to move. When the CV joints become worn, when they become defective, they become loose and produce a clicking sound when turning. Number 6, steering wheel stiff when turning. Well, as mentioned earlier, because power steering systems are hydraulically operated and need fluid to produce that pressure for turning, when there is a power steering fluid leakage, when the fluid level is low, it is unable to produce enough pressure to assist with turns. If power steering fluid levels are normal, it is possible that the power steering belt is loose or damaged, or the pump has failed, or the steering rack is faulty. So if you have resistance when turning, check to see if the power assist mechanism is working properly. And finally, number 7, wandering wheel. When the steering wheel is straight, but your vehicle begins drifting or wandering off the road, it is best to check alignment first. If you find yourself continuing to fight the steering wheel and the vehicle is properly aligned, the rack may be faulty. The steering rack is composed of rack enclosed with a steering pinion connected to a steering wheel by a shaft and universal joints. When the steering wheel is turned, the pinion moves, pushing the steering rack in the direction designed. The ends of the steering rack are linked to the front wheels, making the steering rack respond by turning to the left or right as well. A faulty steering gearbox may also cause a drifting car. The gearbox is made up of sector and worm gear, and bearings are there, bushings are there. If these bearings and bushings wear out, they produce a loose feeling. Additionally, the vehicle may have loose steering or suspension components. So these are some of the most commonly felt steering system problems. If you happen to feel any of this, make sure that you get your vehicle's steering system checked immediately. Because for your safe drive, for your safe ride, it is mandatory that your steering system is working properly. Thank you for watching. If you find this video interesting, please smash the like button. If you are new to this channel, don't forget to subscribe. And turn on the notifications so that you will be notified whenever we come up with another video. Till then, stay safe.